So this is one of the students' projects from the BIM Fundamentals class, and the student has these two planes of roof that's hard to see really how they really intersect based on these images, but we have a case of we need to cut part of the roof back against where these walls are. And I'll show you what I mean in the Revit file. So you can see how this roof fully, I'm going to go to wireframe here, the roof kind of fully goes in through that wall there. And so what we'll do is, switching it back to hidden line, pretty simple fix. He's done a roof by profile, which we're going to change. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go into the elevations. I'm going to go to the west elevation, and I'm going to put some reference planes on here. And I'm just typing RP for reference plane. And you can find reference planes up here. Just want to see what the overhang is. 6'9". In the back it's about 4'8". So, and then we need to know what the slope is. So I'm just going to go to annotate, spot slope. And so we've got about a 112, 1 1/4 12. So we're going to delete this. Actually, get one more measurement, and we're going to get the starting point. So 12, 10. So let's just say 13 feet. Delete this roof. We're going to go back to the first floor, and I'm going to model the roof like he did, and then we will fix the problem after. So we're going to do roof by picking wall, and so we're going to say that the side and back is both 5 feet, and then the front is closer to 7 feet. Okay. I think that's a little bit too large. We're going to change these two sides to 3 feet. The back, I think we'll change the back to 3 feet too, just to keep it consistent. I think that's a little bit much. We're going to close these lines here, and we're just going to go like this. Define slope. We're going to change this slope to 1.25. And then we're going to go back to our west elevation, and this dimension is going to be about 13 feet. Change that to 13, and so as you can see, we were having the same problem as the student was before. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Edit Footprint again, and we're going to go to the second floor, because that's where the walls are. We're going to pick line, and we're going to select 0 overhang and change it extend to wall core, which right now I don't think there's there's no core set up, so we're going to not extend into wall core for now. And we're just going to do that. And we're just going to turn off the slope of these two here. And voila, we have that. And then I'm just going to extend these parts up to the roof. And there you go. You have your roof, and it doesn't intersect the wall there.